Nagpe-pray pa sila?
I-recharge mo dito. Minute sa dalawa. Mamaya kasi ulit mo.
Second game, Manila versus Isabela.
Bawas.
First position of Pakupol Isabela. Biray. Carry by Pakul ba? Alonso, the fake man. Back to Biray. Biray, fake. 10 seconds to shoot. Open jump. First basket. Short. Rebound on down. Rico Herma. Black. Fighting hole. Now Biray again. Second time around. Short. Rebound on the man, De Leon. Now is De La Cruz. Let it fly, Belgium. First shot, bang, 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 bang. On Belgium. 3-0. Rico Hermoso. Catch it to Rena. Back to Hermoso. 10 seconds to shoot. Elbow jump. To bang. It's money. 3-2. 1 point lead on Manila. Blocked by the fake man Arroyo. It's Ricky Hermoso. 1-1. Elbow jump. Play too strong. Rebound on the money man. Now De La Cruz. Looking for the goal. Back to the main man. Now main fake. Hesitate. Elbow jump too strong. Rebound again. On Alonso. Biray. Catch it to Rena. 10 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Five. Bang, bang, bang. On. Catch it to Rena. Now 5-3. 2 point lead now, Isabela. In goal. It's Pakupol Isabela ball. 7 minutes and 49 seconds. Second game for our inter-province category. Now, Rico Hermoso. Looking for Biray. Arroyo, the fake man. Right, turn. Our fake man again. Blocked by the main man. Now De La Cruz, right, where are you? 5-all. This is our first deadlock of the game. Fake man. Now drive, fake man again, elbow jump, too strong, rebound on the stone, Pingol. Nice pass, it's a wrong shot, it's foul. Foul on the stone man, Pingol. First personal foul on the stone man, Pingol. First team foul, Manila. Five all on score, 5-all. Rebound on De La Cruz. Ay, Pakulba. De La Cruz, wala ball. Left and fly, Golden from De La Cruz. 7-5. Now Manila up by 2. Cachiturana. Now Ricky Hermoso. Back to Cachiturana. Still by De La Cruz. De La Cruz now. De La Cruz. 9-5. Now 4 point lead now on Manila. Ricky Hermoso. Back to Casturena. Piray, big elbow jump. Too strong rebound. It's now Manila. It's 5 minutes and 16 seconds. First quarter, second game. For our inter-province. Oh, still! Bang! Wala steal coming from the young blood. Ricky Hermoso. It's 7-9. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On the man. De Leon, 12-7. Now it's 5-point lead on Manila. Gachichurena. Bang, bang, bang! Gachichurena! 10-12. It's a 2-point lead, Manila. Main man strike, guarded by the fake man. It's not the fake man, it's 3-2. Fake man now, third. Fake man now, what's the pass? Steal! Last touch on the stone man, big goals. Time out! On Manila, it's 12-10. 2-point lead on Manila, 4 minutes and 22 seconds. First quarter, second game for our inter-province category. Manila versus Isabela Papa Bowls. And we'd like to thank our two referees for tonight, referees Abdul Aziz and referee Joum Jomong. And also we'd like to thank our viewers on Basketballista tonight. We have 3 viewers. Only 3 viewers for tonight. And they give it stars.
Hey, Baba, bakul ba?
Biray, big, 10 to shoot. Katsusurena, right, pass, fake, the fake man, short. Rebound on the Stallman, Pingol. Stallman now, looking for Pakulba. Pakulba now driving, it's Pakulba! Clean it out, Pakulba again, it's Pakulba. Hey! Let it fly! Mayman! Bang! Mayman! 13 against 10. It's foul. Foul on number 24, the main man, De Leon. It's second team foul on Manila. First team foul on the main man, De Leon. Short! Now rebound, it's now running, Pakulba. Now left-handed drive to stone top. It's De La Cruz. Right-handed place, Pakulba! 16-10. The 6-point lead now, Manila. 2 minutes and 18 seconds. It's Manila ball, Manila. 2 minutes. Pakulba rebound. Stone man drive. Stone man, nice defense on Norwich. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Still on now. It's Ricky Hermoso drive. One is foul. Foul on number 14 on De La Cruz. Is 13 foul on Manila. First personal foul against De La Cruz. It's 1 minute and 48 seconds remaining time for our first quarter. Second game. Isabela Papa Bowls versus Manila Wrong Face. 11-16. Back to 5-point lead on Manila Wrong Face. It's 1-2 by Ricky Hermoso. Now the main man, 3-2. Main man nice concept. This pass is Pakulba. Turnover again on Pakulba. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Biray. Short. Now the big man got his foul. It's the warning for penalty on Manila. First personal foul on the main man, De Leon. 1 minute and 16 seconds, 14 to shoot. Second on the main man, De Leon.
Sino yan? Saan na 24? Saan na 24? Sino na 24?
De Leon.
Sino na 24? Sabihin mo.
Babaw! Mark! Ayun na!
It's foul.
Hey, tapat-tapat!
Foul on number 14, is Stombang. Stoneman. Tingol. Now, Manila in penalty.
Third.
12-16 now. 12-16. 1 minute and 12. Pang shot, 2-2-2, coming from Alonso. Bang! Mali! De La Cruz. 50 seconds. Ten seconds to shoot. Biray. Again, in and out the Biray. Rebound on Biray. 40. Kick out pass to Tirena. 10 seconds to shoot.
Lalim, ha?
In and out. It's a 0 out of 7 by Biray. On at Rico's out. It's not a fly. It's foul. Foul on number 1-3. It's Alonso. It's first on Alonso. First team foul. It's another 23 seconds. Two free throw shots to let it fly, Kelvin. Basket count, Brinola 19 against 13. It's a 6-point lead on Manila. Seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, no man. Now 5 seconds. Bateman. Short. And now our first quarter. Our score, 22-13.
Wala tayong pilihan. Saan lang ba tayong pumili? Wala tayong pilihan. Hindi tayo pilihan. Pamamaya, touch tayo record. Ha? Uy, wala akong barrio. Wala, 20. Ah, meron. Ganda ng kotse mo. Anong kotse mo?
Kuya ko yun. Lancer.
Lancer. GTI?
Hiram yan.
Eh, kayo yun. Kayo ka ng bull. Sige mo lang.
Second quarter, second, Manila ball, Manila.
Charge. Palit ka dito mamaya. Ano? May palit ka dito.
Bakit?
May shot palit ka dito. Target tayo yung patapos. Aliwali pasok.
Now Kita. Here mine that Prince Charlie mine. Now rebound again on mine. Prince Charlie now big. It's the muscle man short. Now Kita right place at the right time by Kita. Kita. 24-13. Now 11-point lead on Manila. It's 9 minutes and 37 seconds. Ricky Hermoso. Biray. Guarded by Kita. Now Biray is 8 attempt. Bang! It's long 2. Long 3 by Biray. 16-24. 8-point lead now Manila. Short. Too strong. Now Rico is still now. Here comes now Subirano. Subirano, welcome back, stop up. Subirano is late. Looking for his teammate. Back to Subirano. 10 seconds to shoot. Biray. Now, Biray now. It's now looking for his team again. Biray looking for Maki. Rico Hermoso. Now it's Rico Hermoso now. 14 to shoot. Too strong. Bang! The fake man. Arroyo. 18-24. 6-point lead now Manila. Short! Mirai, Cardeo Sobrano. Still now on Sobrano. Now the muscle man, carried by Alonso. Muscle man, still on the big man. Big man now. Big. Rico Hermoso. Maki. Back to Rico Hermoso. In out again Manila. 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Soberano, now the muscle man, 1-1. Muscle man again. Nice pass, keep the pass. Steve, 10 seconds to shoot. 10. Rebound on Arroyo. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Baseball pass. Now Rico Hermoso. Now 20-24. It's a 6.0 run coming from Isabela. 24 against the 20. Bang, bang, bang! Kitang-kita! 27-20. 7-point lead back to Manila. Maki. Bang! Nothing but net, nothing but ring about Maki. It's 23-27. 4-point lead back to Manila. It's running now in Manila. It's high middle 40. Kita. Now, nice pass inside. Foul. Foul on Sir Maki. It's first personal foul on Sir Maki. First team foul Isabela. It's 5 minutes and 40 seconds. It's 0-2. Now the fake man. Fake man drive. It's kickball. It's Manila ball. Manila. It's 5 minutes and 27 seconds. 27-23. Nice pass. The muscle man. And it's 29 against 23. Biray, 1-1 by Sigurado. Biray, it's Biray, 24-29. 4-point lead now Manila. National, it's foul. Foul again on Maki. It's second personal foul on Maki. Second team foul in Isabela. Thirty, 25, 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Get out. We have to welcome here one of the visitors. It's Alday here in ISS. 10 seconds to shoot. Kick out pass. Pay, Biray. Wow, what a great defense by the muscle man. Tagunsong. Oh, what a move now, foul. First team foul in Manila. Foul on Berthold, on Kita. Alright, number 10, foul number 10. 26-30, it's a 4-point lead on Manila. 2 out of 2 coming from Ricky Hermoso. 27-30. Nice Santel Fish ball again, in and out, rebound on Arroyo. It's now Ricky Hermoso. 1-1, it's 1-3. Yo! Nice defense on Manila. Arroyo. Biray.
Tira.
In out. Rebound again on the Muscleman Tagungtong. Muscleman, where are you? Muscleman, close to close. Kita pass to Kita. Kita! Too strong. Rebound on Maki. Maki. Now Rico Hermoso top. Maki again. Maki looking for Biray. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot.
Sige, Yuri! Sige,
It's 2-1. Rico Hermoso! It's foul. Foul on number 1 for Subirano. Now second team foul on Manila first. It's Subirano. 2 free throw shot coming from number 18 on Rico Hermoso. It's 3 out of 3 coming from the line from Rico Hermoso, 28 to 30. 1 minute and 54 seconds. It's 4 out of 4 coming from Hermoso, 30 to 29.
Baba, Yuri! Baba!
Foul on Sobrano, second person foul on Sobrano, third. Against Manila, it's 1 minute and 31 seconds, 14 to shoot. Second quarter, second game. Manila against Isabela Papabols. Arroyo. Whoa! What a pass now, 31 to 13, so 1 point lead now. On Isabela Papabols. Whoa! It's now Prince Johnny Mine. Same place at the same time on Mine. 1 minute. Big man, scoop, short, out. Rebound again on the big man. Second time around. Big man is Arroyo. Too strong. Rebound down. It's Kita. Kita. 34-31. It's up to 3 points lead on Manila. 35 seconds. Block by that. Now 25, 14 to shoot. Right, in and out. Muscleman, zigzag, too strong. Oh, Muscleman. 10 seconds. 5. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Maki! And at the second quarter, our score 36-34. All by Manila, and we'd like to thank our sponsors.
Oh, bawas muna tayo, kahit konti, bawas tayo, Sir Maki. Richard. Yan. Yan ang gusto mo, start tayo. Yan ang Melinda. Oh, bawas muna na konti, bawas tayo konti. Oh, bawas muna na konti. Yan, sir, parang simula tayo, Richard. Bilis na yan.
And we'd like to thank our sponsors.
Boss Maki, ano na, ang lagay? Isisend lang sa'yo ni Papa Chaps.
Wala si Jack. Eh, kuya na, kailangan natin yun. Kailangan natin yun, kasi wala.
GSS Travel Agency. Basket Police naman. Horror Sports. And Chewy Basketball.
Si Marshall, ikakanta niyo si Boss Marshall. Sasend daw niya sa'yo.
Sila.
Marshall.
Sila. Nagbigay na si Marsh. Sila lang.
Magkano ba daw yun?
Ayun.
Magkano daw sabi?
Hingi ka nga. Hingi ka lang ano, 200 mo. Magbibigay siya.
Magkano pa nga ba nga yung kanila? Tinatanong nga.
600.
600 pa daw yung kanyo. Okay. 600 pa daw yung... Sila bayad na sila eh. Bayad na yung Manila.
1-3 pa balat siya, 1-3. 1-3 pa balat siya, 1-3. Wala pa kayo nabigay. Sige lang, pagkano bigay nila? Yan, sige.
Kami mo 600.
1-3. 1-3 pa balat siya, 1-3. Ang binayaran nyo, jersey pa lang, wala pa sa... Ato, 1-3 pa. Binayaran nila, full kayo sa jersey, pero sa entry fee, wala. Yan. Bawas na 200.
Ngayon nilagay ko na.
Third quarter tayo, third quarter.
Plus 5 sila, kulang kayo ha. Plus 5 sila. Plus 5 lang tayo.
Pwede mag-sub dito?
Oo, pag 5 minutes tayo.
5 minutes daw.
5 minutes tayo, sub. 5 minutes.
It's Manila ball, Manila. Manila ball, Manila. It's Isabela. Isabela ball, Isabela. Manila defense on Manila. Third quarter, third. Katiturana. In and out. Rebound on the Prince Charming mind. Now Prince Charming now drive. It's now the Stone Man. Block. It's De La Cruz. 10 to shoot. Pilarca. 5. In and out. Top. Rebound by back. It's the Stone Man again. De La Cruz. Oh, it's De La Cruz. Now 43 against the 44. 9-point lead now Manila. Rebound on the Prince mind. Bilarca. Now the Prince mind now. De La Cruz. Bilarca, elbow jab, too strong, rebound top, it's now, kills them short top, rebound again De La Cruz. De La Cruz, fake, Bilarca, short, now let it fly, same spot, short track, Arroyo, it's Maggie, Katiturana, Calmedo, Katiturana, where's the ball, Katiturana, now remains foul. Foul on number 12 on Kilden, it's let it fly, first on Kilden. First team foul, Manila. Magite. Kick and pass. Vicky Hermoso. 14 na sa lang. Arroyo shot. Now it's Black. Alonso. 14 to shoot. Biray. Again, 0 to plan de Bilay. It's let it fly. LJ. 45-34. Now 11-point lead on Manila. Bilay. Get to shoot. Bang! It's now 3 out of 3 coming from Maki to the 3-point line, 37-45. Back to 8-point lead of Manila. De La Cruz, Stoneman. Too strong, top. Prince Charming. Black is foul. Foul on Maki. It's first on Maki, second team foul on Sapela, 6 minutes and 12 seconds. Steal by Alonso. Baseball pass. It's the teenager now. The teenage bomb. Liquid muscle. Drive. Take. It's offensive foul on Rico Hermoso na second team foul on Isabela first. Against Rico Hermoso. Let it fly. Black. Oh, the Stoneman. Big goal. 47-37. 10-point lead on Manila. Chichurena. Now Ricky Hermoso. 10 seconds to shoot. Alonso now. Time. Oh, loose ball. Mass communication na Isabela. 5 minutes and 21 seconds.
Yuri!
Now Stoneman again. Stoneman. 10 to shoot. Bang! Time out! On Isabela, 49-37, back to 12-point lead on Manila.
Oh, pwede na tayo mag-sub. Tayo na mag-sub.
Foul!
Sinabi ko na nga eh. Sinabi ko na 5 minutes. Pwede na eh.
5 minutes, tol.
Narinig niyo yun, narinig eh.
5 minutes.
5:07 na yun. 7 minutes lang.
Four minutes and 53 seconds. It's 1 out of 2 coming from Arroyo. The fifth man now 38-49. 11-point lead on Manila. De La Cruz. Let it fly. Short. Rebound on Gachiturena. Alonso to Gachiturena. Now Rick Hermoso.
Oh, nice one!
Short. Top. It's Pilarga. Let it fly. Unselfish pass from to De La Cruz. 51 to 38. 4 minutes and 15.
Yun o, bigay doon, sa gilid. Ikot ulit, ikot.
10 seconds to shoot. Pay. Drive. Biray. Bang. Biray. 51 on 40. Ayan, nice steal on Biray. Move. Baseball pass. Alonso to Gachiturena. It's Hermoso. Top. Stoneman. Now Prince Charming, now defense on the big man, De La Cruz. It's now De La Cruz, Carly Leviray. De La Cruz drive, De La Cruz, bang! It's De La Cruz. 53 to 40. Three minutes. Alonso, nice fade. Gachiturena. Oh, to Pakeman now. Pakeman, 10 seconds to shoot. It's foul. Substitution. Foul on De La Cruz is 30 foul on Manila. Second personal foul on De La Cruz. Substitution. Sub. Pakulba. Foul on the big man. Arroyo. His second team foul, third team foul on Isabela. Second on the big man. Arroyo.
Tres lang kasi doon natira, hindi naman kinukuha sa taas. Hindi naman ako pumang. Tres lang talaga, shoot, puro sa tres eh.
55-40.
Dalawa
3 on 1. Steal by Turena. Hey. 1 minute and 22 seconds. Still 15-point lead by Manila. 55 against 40. Wala ball! Same ball, 1 minute! Pakulba. Left-handed drive, in out, Muggy. 55 seconds. Kita. 40 seconds. Nice pass. Foul. Foul on number 10. Now second personal foul on number 10. Warning for penalty in Manila. "34 seconds. 41-57.
Nagsama ma, may one game?
Gato nga 200 na.
Sabas hindi lang ako nakasakbo, hayop. Bilis ako rin eh. Bilisan eh. Ay! The friend!
Bang, bang, bang! On first shot, 15 seconds.
Pag may pera siya, kukunin mo. Kung kaya, hindi na naman kayo.
Wala na.
And up our third quarter, 64-2 our score. Last quarter tayo, last quarter.
Bakit nangyari?
So, kanina ka pa nagwawarning ng 24. Dalawang beses lang nag-24.
23?
Number?
Warning on both players, number 24 on Rampage. And warning also for number 32, Katitirena.
Ano, hintayin kita mamaya? Ikaw sa Kaycom? Ano sabi? Siyempre. Wala akong sasakyan eh.
Ba't sa'yo yung sakyan mo?
Sinakon ko, nasira.
So, paano yan?
Dahil yung sigaw. Dahil doon. Hindi, usapan siya. Akala ko ikaw na kumuha.
Sige mo na ba sa kanya?
Sinabi ko, ako nang babayad.
Tira! O, pasok!
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Sudrado. Muggy, 10 seconds to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 12 on Kita. It's person Manila. Second personal foul on Kita. What a shot from Alonso. 43-63, 20-point lead on Manila.
Good! Mataas lang!
Wala.
Oh no! Alat talaga Mary.
Patitulan, ha? Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, patitulan up to 63-46. 17-point lead ng Manila. In and out. Arroyo.
Wala. Tigil mo agad! Nice shot!
Short. 7 minutes. It's foul. Time out. On Manila score 60-46. 17-point lead on Manila. 7 minutes and 19 seconds.
Yes, coach. Yes, coach. Tira sa press mo lang yan eh. Pinsa lang. Tama yung sabi ni Mike.
Davey, may babaw ka!
Tira. Tira sa labas, set. Yan.
14 minutes set clock.
May babaw!
7 minutes. 10.
Yan na.
Bang! Fadeaway jump shot coming from main man. De Leon. What a move by the fake man. 48-65.
Kita.
Top. Black.
Last.
What a move again on the fake man. 50-65. 15-point lead on Manila.
Yan, tapos lang.
Serve, Mike.
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
Ayaw mo siya score.
Superano.
Gachi, Joanna.
That's Tirana. 4 minutes and 50.
Sit. Boss!
Baba!
Panap!
Ay, turnover natin, oh.
Wala, sila.
Substitution at substitution. Our score 65-52.
Lawrence, ka mag-uno!
Belgium let it fly 67 against the 52. Air ball. It's Tirana. Fake man. Fake. Bang! The fake man. Baholwa! 69-54. 3 minutes and 57 seconds. Steal on Prince Mine.
Aywa.
What a pass from Prince Mine. Time out! On Isabela.
Tira.
Good yun.
Shoot.
Tira.
Now, it's fake man.
Yuri. Tira.
3 minutes.
Loren, ikaw mag-uno.
Ito lang ulan ko. Ay. Ay, patay. Oy.
Oy! Foul, foul.
Manila ball, Manila.
Tinula. Tira yan.
2 minutes and 45 seconds. Block. Block. Foul on the fake man. It's the first team foul in Isabela.
Arroyo third.
Third personal foul against the fake man, Arroyo.
Last, ilan na minutes sa tumutong? 2 minutes. 2 minutes? 39. 2 minutes. O yun, no?
Baba na, Bingol.
Ano, kinabisa?
Loren, baba na. Pahinga. Challenge na sa tumitira sa ibabaw.
Air ball. Air ball.
Kaya mo ba na kayo? Pakulbay ka lang sa pagkuha sa pinari. Doon siya kumuha ng bola. Kuha na. Kuha.
Box out! Box out! Shoot!
Ay! Ano nangyari?
2 minutes and 17 seconds. Huh?
Puti. Diba? Oh, yun na pala yun eh. White ball.
Di, white ball. Ay! Oh! Masok! Galing galing. Legal pick!
Bang! Bang! Fake man! 2 minutes!
Nice one! Baba!
Wala ka dito dyan.
1 minute and 48 seconds.
Sama niya siya, na-pick up. Sama niya si...
Second team foul in Isabela.
Sino ka foul? Diray?
Baba, baba!
73-58.
Siya pumanap sa amin dun sa ano eh. Sa may... Sa may ano, sa may... Sa may...
1 minute and 40.
Huli pa eh.
Nako, nako, nako!
Tira!
Let it fly! Kelvin!
Uli, 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 uli.
Tira, tol!
Pasan, pasan.
Ay!
Diretso mo, diretso mo!
Now Stallman.
Pakita! Pakita mo kung sino ka! Doon!
Basket!
Labas! Ayaw!
1 minute. It's a fake man, Arroyo. 50 seconds.
AC lang, baka ma-injury pa.
Easy na lang, easy na lang.
Sa taas na.
Easy na lang, easy na lang.
Wag, wag, wag na.
Ay!
62-25. 20 seconds. Tumulong ko dyan sa taas. Five.
Tiro mo. Wala nang kwarta.